So everybody's wondering how Ruru, my kangaroo, gets in her pouch because she doesn't have a mom. So I had to buy a pouch for her. So this is her pouch and it has a little strap right here. And the inside is like blanket material, so she's nice and comfy. And we're gonna see how she gets in it. And then she just flips in it and I can carry her around, go to the store, go to school. We all know that she wears diapers, but I have to cut a hole in it for her tail to come out. So, bless you. Just cut a little hole for her tail, and we have to put them on backwards because her butt is so big. Bless you. You take her tail, and you put it like that, and you just slide it through. Is that backwards? Okay, yeah, it's backwards. We try not to make it like too tight, like around her legs, because then it will give her like basically like a diaper rash for a kangaroo. Oh. We're traveling. That's it. And her tail sticks out. Say bye.